Ananta cultivation TV Namatana Hills Haridastapa Premsaka Hoshi Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Shri Radha Krishna Gopa Gopinatham Bharatam Giri Govinda Gangamai Ganga Krishna Shri Radha Gopinatham Shri Radha
Gouri Siamasundar.
Shri Radha Gouri.
No, Gouri. Without Radha.
Oh.
Gauri means golden.
Oh, she gold.
Radharani's name, Gauri, golden. And Siamasundar, everybody knows.
Yeah.
So it's actually not Radha. Gauri.
Okay, I thought before I started, I'd like to read a passage from the Bhagavad Gita. See, the thing is, what you don't realize is that life is full of dualities. It's hot, cold, sad, happy. And actually, the house of the Zazinskis, they are going through a phase of sadness. Because obviously, we've lost a good Vaishnava here, Boston. But we don't want to get emotional about this. It is important to mention that as well. But at the same time, as there's sadness, there is happiness. Because now this house is installing Radha Krishna deities. And so the way has been cleared so that Dhama, Kisiori, Vamsi and Gita can worship the deities in full. There will be no other attention anymore. So it's important that we realize what is going on in our lives, because wherever there's sadness, there's also happiness. So this verse is very important at this particular time. It's in chapter 2 of the Gita. And as we all know, Arjuna was in the dilemma about fighting against his relatives. And he's sitting with Krishna there. And Krishna was telling him that actually we should not lament about anyone passing away. Because he says, Dehinosmin yatadihi kaumaram yovanjara tatadi hantara praptihi dhirastatra namoshati. As the embodied soul continually passes in this body from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. A sober person is not bewildered by such a change. This is a very difficult verse to accept, because we all know that we have love for our loved ones and we don't realize the importance of them until they pass away. And this is the problem we have, because we just get used to each other during our existence. But then Krishna continues on the verse 14. Matra parshanta kontiya shitoshna shuka dukdaha agamapayano nitya stam statiksha bharata. O son of Kunti, the non-permanent appearances of happiness and distress and their disappearances in due course are like the appearances and disappearance of winter and summer seasons. They arise from sense perception, O Susyan or Bharat, and one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. Now we will continue with the yajna. So I will rise up now, and I will do all the oblations I need before I start. Om Sri Guru Paramananda Premananda Falprada Rajananda Pradhananda Sevaya Maniyo Yaya Om Apasarpantu Te Bhutaya Bhuta Bhumi Samstita Ye Bhuta Vigna Karta Atne Shantu Shivya Yagya Om Astarai Fat. Stay down with the Ashman again. Om Keshavaya Namaha Om Narayana Namaha Om Madhavaya Namaha Om Govindaya Namaha Om Vishnavaya Namaha Om Madhusudanaya Namaha Sarvakamaya Namaha Vamanaya Shridaya Namaha Om Vishikesha Namaha Om Paramadavaya Namaha Om Vasudev Nama Shankshana Prajumna Aniruddha Parashotam Adoksha Narshima Uchutam Om Janandana Om Upendra Om Haraya Om Krishnaya Om Tad Vishnu Paramam Paragam Sada Pasyanti Surem Deviva Chakshuratatam Tad Vipraso Vipanya Gojagrabagam Sa Samindate Tad Vishnu Paramam Paragam Om Asana Mantrasya Meru Krista Risihi Sutalam Chandaha Kurmo Devata Asana Vimantrani Viniyogaha Pritivitva Dhita Loka Devitam Vishnu Nadrita Tvam Charayam Nam Nitram Pavitram Chasanam Kuru Om Mataji Bandhana Ram Sarvapari Vinimuktam Tatparabena Nirvana Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti Ruttache Om Atta Swastivachanam Om Punantu Mam Devajana Punantu Manasa Diyaha Punantu Vishna Vipani Jata Veda Punima Om Asakarmana Punyam Bhavantu Bhavantu Om Punyaham Om Punyaham Om Punyaham Om Udgari Eva Shakune Samagaisi Brahma Putra Eva Shavane Sushamshashi Risheva Vaji Shishu Matira Pitaya Sarvato Na Shakune Badramavada Vishvato Na Shakune Punyamavada Om Asya Karmanaha Swasti Bhavantu Brahmantu Aishmati Om Swasti Om Swasti Om Swasti Om Swasti Om Swasti Na Indriyo Vridashavaha Swasti Na Pusha Vishvavedaha Swastina Tarikshya Arishtanemihi Swastino Brihaspati Dadati Om Asya Karmana Hridayam Bhavantu Brahmantum Om Hridyatam Om Hridyatam Om Hridyatam Om Hridyatam Om Hridyamastomam Sanyam Abhajamano Mantram Saradeho Payatam Yashona Pakvam Maru Goshavantaram Utam Soho Ashvino Kamama Praom. You can say after me Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shanti means to give peace to your body, soul. And so, you know, we every time I say Shanti, you should say. And now I'm going to do Shanti Panchakam. So what I've done there is that I've asked for auspiciousness, I've asked for piety and for prosperity here in the house, because, you know, we're getting rather deities here. So that's what I'm doing. And now I'm going to pray to all the demigods, which is the Shanti Panchakam. Then I'll pray to our spiritual master so that we don't have any friction between each other. Then eventually I'll pray for the two-legged and the four-legged beings around us. So, Om Adashada Shanti Panchakam. Om Shamno Mitra Sham Varunaha Shamno Bhavat Varayama Shamna Indriyo Brihaspatihi Shamno Vishnu Urkamaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vayo Tvam Eva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvam Eva Pratyaksham Brahma Varishami Ritam Varishami Satyam Varishami Tan Mama Vatu Tad Bhakta Ramavatu Avatu Mam Avatu Bhaktaram Om Shanti 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 Om Shamno Mitra Sham Varunaha Shamno Bhavat Varayama Shamna Indriyo Brihaspatihi Shamno Vishnu Urkamaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vayo Tvameva Pratyaksha Brahmasi Tvameva Pratyaksha Brahma Varishami Ritama Varishami Satyama Varishami Tan Mama Vitad Bhaktaramavid Avid Mam Avid Bhaktaram Om Shanti 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 Om Sahana Bhavantu Sahano Bhunaktu Saviryan Karavavahe Tejasvina Varit Amashtumam Vidvishavai Om Shanti 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 Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnat Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vaishyate Om Shanti 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 Om Tatchayoravrinimaya Gatum Yagya Yagatum yagya padahe devi swasti rastunah swasti manashevyaha urdam jigatu beshasham shamno astu dvipade sham chatuspade om shanti shanti shanti. Now I'm going to light the fire, and I always say this, that if you do not believe what I'm doing, because I'm going to take the impurities of this fire and discard it here, if you don't believe what is going on here, then unfortunately you have to go and see Yamaraj. So we have to believe in what we are doing. And you don't want to see Yamaraj.
Not today.
Not today. And before I actually start this now, I'd like to take the blessings from all the Vaishnavas here. Senior Vaishnavas like Dhama and Kisiori, practicing Krishna consciousness more than any of us that I can remember. And take the blessings from Sri Prabhupada, auspicious Master Krishna Kshetra Prabhu, Sadhana Swami, Krishna Kshetra Swami, Sadhana Swami. We shouldn't take the ceremony lightly, because we are saying prayers that not many people recite during the day. You see, the thing is, Srila Prabhupada did all of us a favor, because he has made it very easy for us to approach God through the chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra. The Hare Krishna mantra is the Yuga Dharma for this period. You can progress right to the top by chanting Hare Krishna, but sometimes we do need rituals like this to give us this feeling, yes, there is a God, because not all of us believe. Well, I don't sometimes, because I'm chanting and you don't realize that name is Krishna himself. We just chant offending all the time, because our mind is wandering. We're not that pure that we can chant. So sometimes when you see a yagya like this, you say, yes, there is a God. Yes, there is Krishna. Yes, the mantras do exist. If you look at the Rig Veda, the Sama Veda, the Jadur Veda, they are so complicated. I've been searching the internet and I've been trying to look at the mantras, and I can't even understand them. They're so complicated. And so Srila Prabhupada has made it very easy for us to become religious and to become worshippers of Krishna. So it's important that we should know this. Okay, so now. Gravyam damagni praminom niduram yamarajo gacchato viprava. So what I've done is that I've taken out all the impurities from the fire, and that same fire is the fire that if I didn't do that, then that fire is used for cremations. But by saying that mantra, we have purified the fire so that Krishna can be offered the oblations. So now the conch, and then someone ring the bell. Watch.
Which one?
It doesn't matter.
Tell me what.
Okay. Om Bhurva Swaha. Okay, ring the bell, please. Om Vaishnava Namaha. Yava, Yava, Yatista, Yatista, Yasanji, 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 Yasanji. Krishna, blow the conch, please. Vaishnava Namaha. Agnimire porohitam Jagyase devam ritvicham Hotaram ratnadatanam Ayyo Isheitva rajaitva Vayavastu Vayavasta Devo Vashavita Prayatu Sheshtatmanan Armani Hari Om Agna Ayayi Vitaye Krinano Havyadatehe Nihota Satsi Varesi Hari Om Om Agni Ayayi Voitoyai Toyai Grinani Hota Vyata Toyai Toyai Nani Hota Sa Ba Ho Ho Ah Hi Shi Om Channo Devi Ravistahe Apo Bhavantu Pitaye Channo Ravishravantuna Channo Devi Bhavistai Channo Bhavantu Vihitayai Channo Shravantu Ho Ho Ha Hi Ha Ho Sa Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, thank you.
Blue one.
Yeah, I can have it. Okay, so now the ceremony is done. Om Purva Swaha Om Pur Agnaya Namah Swaha Om Vaishnava Namah Om Swaha Om Purva Swaha Om Purva Swaha Prajapati Swaha. So what I've done is that I've opened up the cosmos by saying that mantra is called the Mahavyarati mantra. So by saying that, I'm allowed to access the Purushukta. So every time I say Swaha now, you can add your offerings, okay?
Try aim into the fire, not on our heads.
Everyone's got one?
There's more to place here if you want it.
And then later on when I finish, I will give you the meanings, because the meanings are beautiful. Okay?
One more place.
Okay, ready?
Dhama, do you know?
Om Mataji Purushukta Homa Om Sahasrashisha Purushaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapataha Sabhumim Vishvato Vritva Atyashtishtastu Sangulam Swaha Idam Krishna Idam Namama Om Purushevaradam Sarvam Yat Bhute Yat Chabhavyam Utamritatva Shishana Yaranena Tirohati Swaha Idam Krishna Idam Namama Om Etavanasya Mahima Mato Jaya Gamsya Purusha Paro Sya Vishwa Bhutani Triparyasya Amritam Divi Swaha Idam Krishna Idam Namama Om Tripar Udva Udvai Purusha Paro Sya Bhavat Punah Tato Vishwanya Kramate Dashana Nashane Abhiyam Swaha Idam Krishna Idam Namama ॐ तस्माद् विराजजायत विराजो हरिपुरुषः सदौतो अस्य ऋक्षत पश्चात् भूमि अतो पुरः स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ यत्पुरुषेण विसा देव यज्ञमतन्वतः पशन्ताक्षीराजं ग्रीष्मा इमा शरदविः स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ तं यज्ञं वर्षि प्रोक्षणे पुरुषं जातमागृतः तेन देवयजन्त सार्या ऋषहे स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ सप्तस्यान् परिजयः त्रिसप्तसामिदा कृतः एवा यज्ञं तान्वान अवधान् पुरुषं पशुं स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ तं यज्ञं बर्हिषि प्रोक्षण पुरुषं जातमागृतः तेन देवयजन्त सार्या ऋषहे स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ तस्माद् यज्ञ सर्वभूतः संवृतं कृष्णराज्यं पशूनागं तागं चक्रे वायाजुस्तस्मात् अजायत स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ तस्मात् अश्वा अयजन्त एकेचो भयादतः तभो यज्ञरे तस्मात् याजुस्तस्मात् अजायत स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ तस्मात् अश्वा अयजन्त एकेचो भयादतः तभो यज्ञरे तस्मात् जात अजावायः स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ यत्पुरुषं यजतुः कथिताद्वकल्पयन् मुखं किम् अस्य तो बाहुरूपादाव्युच्यते स्वाहायं कृष्णाय नमः ॐ ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजान्याकृतः उरुत्तात् ऐष यद्वैषः पद्भ्यां शूद्र अजायत स्वाहायं कृष्णा इदं वस्तु अद्याम् इदं नमः ॐ चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षु सूर्यो जायत मुखात् इन्द्रियश्चाग्निश्च प्राणात् वायुरजायत स्वाहायं पौर इदं नमः ॐ नाभ्या अस्ति आन्तरिक्ष शीर्षो दोषमर्वर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमि दिशा स्वतः तथा लोकम् अकल्पयन् स्वाहायं पौराय नमः ॐ वेदाहम् इदं पुरुषमहन्तम् आदित्यवरं तमस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि दिक्चदीरः नामानि कृत्वा विवदन् यदस्ते स्वाहायं पौराय नमः ॐ दात्पुरुषात् यमुदजराः चक्रप्रविद्वान् प्रदिश्य तम एवान् विद्वान् अमृत इह भवति नान्या पन्थ अयनान्न स्वाहायं पौराय नमः ॐ यज्ञेन यज्ञं अयजन्त देवा तानि धर्माणि प्रथमानसन् ते हनाकमहिमानशन्ति यत्र पूर्वे शार्य शान्ति देवाः स्वाहा इदं पौराय नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा वायवे नमः ॐ स्वस्व स्वाहा सूर्याय नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वस्व स्वाहा प्रजापते इदं नमः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. So we offer the praise to Krishna there. And now it's Radharani's time. Isn't that lovely, yeah? This is wonderful. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to go in there. So purifying. Om Ata Shri Shukta. Om Hiranyavaranam Harinim Survanaradacha Chandram Hiranmahim Lakshmi Jatavedo Mahavaha स्वाहायं श्रीराधाय इदं नमः ॐ तामा अवाजातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं वन्देहं गामश्वां पुरुषम् अहं स्वाहायं श्रीराधाय इदं नमः ॐ अश्वपुरुषं रथमध्यं हस्तिना प्रबुधिनीं श्रियं देवीम् उपावये श्रीमादेवी दुष्कृतं स्वाहायं श्रीराधाय इदं नमः ॐ तं स्वस्मितं हिरण्य प्राकारम् आर्द्रं ज्वलन्तीं त्रिकां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मस्थितिं पद्मवर्णं तं हिमोपावये श्रियं स्वाहायं श्रीराधाय नमः ॐ चन्द्रं प्रभासं यशसा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियां लोकी देवी जुष्टाम् उदारां तां पद्मिनीं शरणम् अहं प्रपादे अलक्ष्मीनि नश्यतं त्वां प्री क्षीराधाय नमः ॐ आदित्यवरं तमास्तु दिहजतु वनस्पति इक्षोक्ता बिल्वः तस्या फलानि तपस्या नुनान्तु मायन्तरायश्च बाह् अलक्ष्मीः स्वाहा इदं श्रीराधा इदं नमः ॐ मनसे तमम् अकास्तिं वाचाय सत्यम् असीमहि पशूनागं रूपं मनस्से मायि श्री श्वेतं यशः स्वाहा